हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। आज हम अपने इस वीडियो में करेंगे क्लास 7th इंग्लिश द इंग्लिश चैनल बुक का चैप्टर 13 अ शिप ऑन फायर एट सी के क्वेश्चन आंसर। इस वीडियो में हम इसका कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे, यानी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ समरी और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस भी देखेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। रीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। A. State whether these statements are true or false. First one, the narrator was on shore when the entire incident occurred. Answer, false. Second, the narrator saw a pale moon and a red light. Answer, true. Third, Tom was the name of the narrator's brother. Answer, true. Fourth, the narrator's yacht stopped very close to the burning ship. True. Question number B. Read these sentences and answer the questions with reference to the context. First one. The black water took in and quenched all that blazing top hamper, and still the awful hissing was audible. Question number A. What is the narrator talking about in these lines? Answer. The narrator is describing the moment when the burning ship plunged into the water, extinguishing the fire. Question number B. Why is the water referred to as black? Answer. It is night time and water appears dark under the absence of natural light. Question number C. What happened just after this? Answer. The ship sank completely into the sea, leaving darkness behind. Second reference. 1. Said Tom. Only one, sir. Question number A. Who is Tom? Answer. Tom is the narrator's brother. Question number B. Who is Tom speaking to? Answer. He is speaking to the narrator's uncle. Question number C. What is Tom talking about? Answer. He is reporting that they saved only one person from the burning ship. Short summary of the chapter. The narrator describes a harrowing night when a sea caught fire and sank in the sea. Her brother, Tom, was sent in a lifeboat to rescue survivors. The narrator watched in terror as the ship burned and eventually plunged into the water, leaving darkness behind. After an anxious wait, Tom returned with the crew, but they had saved only one person from the wreck. Very short question and answers. First one. What caused the commotion? Answer. Fire. Question number 2. Who commanded the foremost lifeboat? Answer. Tom. Third. What did the narrator see alongside the pale moon? Answer. A red object. Question number 4. What illuminated the sea after the moon went down? Answer. The ship's fire. 5. What did the narrator fear for her brother? Answer. Death. Question number 6. How many people were saved? Answer. Only one. 7. What did the black water do to the ship? Answer. Quenched. Question number 8. What did the crew use lights for? Answer. Visibility. Question number 9. Who consoled the narrator during her distress? Answer. Brand. Question number 10. What emotion dominated the narrator throughout the incident? Answer. Fear. Question number C. Answer these questions briefly. First one. What was the cause of the commotion on the narrator's yacht? Answer. The sight of a ship on fire caused the commotion. Question number 2. What did the narrator describe the sight that she saw in the beginning? Answer. She described seeing a pale moon and a red light near the horizon, which later turned out to be the burning ship. Question number 3. Why was the narrator worried on seeing the burning ship sink into the sea? Answer. She feared her brother, who was a rescue boat near the ship might have been sucked in or overturned. Question number 4. Why did Brand say that the ship may have been deserted? क्वेश्चन का आंसर है because they did not hear any cries for help for the ship. Question number 5. Towards the end, what were the sailors cheering about? Answer. They were cheering because Tom and his crew returned safely with a survivor. Question number D. Think and write the answer. First one. What do you think might have happened that led to the fire on the ship? Answer. The fire on the ship could have been caused by an accident, such as a malfunction in the engine room, a spark from flammable cargo, or improper handling of fuel. It might also have resulted from negligence or even bad weather conditions that caused a spark to ignite. Question number 2. Do you think the narrator went on frequent voyages? Why so? Answer. Yes. The narrator might have gone on frequent voyages because she seemed familiar with life on a yacht, knew the crew well, and appeared to be comfortable with maritime terminology. Additional, her detailed descriptions of the sea suggest she had significant experience with sailing. Last question, question number 3. Voyages can be really risky given the fact that we do not have much equipment to fend ourselves. Do you think other means of transport like airways and roadways are relatively safe? Give reasons. So the answer is airways and roadways are relatively safer because they have more advanced safety measures and monitoring systems. Airplanes are equipped with navigation systems, weather radars, and emergency protocols, while roads have traffic signals, signage, and rescue services. However, they are not entirely risk free, and accidents can still occur due to technical failures, human errors, or natural disasters. Nevertheless, their safety standards and availability of assistance make them less risky compared to sea voyages. तो ये तो हमने किया इस चैप्टर का कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन। इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन का लिंक आपको जल्द ही मिल जाएगा, जो कि डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा। साथ ही साथ इस बुक की प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक मिल जाएगा, तो आप वहाँ से वो भी देख सकते हैं। इसके अलावा आपको इंग्लिश लिटरेचर रीडर का कोई चैप्टर चाहिए तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दीजिए, तो उसका सोल्यूशन लिंक मैं आपको जल्द ही अपलोड कर दूँगी। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा ये मुझे ज़रूर बताइए। पसंद आए तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। हैव अ नाइस डे। पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।